Hey guys, this is Dr. Callahan for Algebra 2, Semester 2 for week 11, Friday. So congrats, you guys made it to the end. Pause the video and answer the following questions. Okay, so today is Friday. So next week, you guys will have week 12. And so we're the 1st of April, which I can't believe we're in the 1st of April, which is a little bit crazy because I feel like the school year is just going by so quickly. Your last day of school is June 7th, just so you guys know. So you have all of this time between the 1st until June 7th that we have. And so really, if you look at it, it's really just 2 more months, and then all of this is going to be done. And then you guys enter your senior year, which is super duper exciting. So yesterday was Thursday. And if you were not here, we had this right here. Does anybody need a copy of this? Anyone need a copy? If you do need a copy, I have it right over here. If you, however, have any work that you need to turn in from yesterday, because some of you guys did turn it in, just put it right there and I will go ahead and take it and I will go ahead and correct it. So if you didn't turn it in, you will not get your check plus. Now, if you didn't complete the assignment in its entirety, I usually give you like a check minus or a check. But check minus is still better than not turning anything at all, because if you don't turn anything at all, you get 5 out of 10. That's assuming like if you're just absent, okay? Now, if you are here, but then you're like on your phone or just sleeping or whatever, like, you walked into a casino and you're taking a nap on their sofa in there, I'll give you a 5.5 out of 10, which is a 55%. Now, if you do a little bit of work and you turn it in, but it's not, completed 100%, you can get anywhere between a 6 to a 9 out of 10. So that's like a 60 to 90%. And if everything looks absolutely beautiful, you get a 10 out of 10. So that's typically how you guys get your grade. Keep in mind that you need a 75% to, which is a safety grade. And the reason for that is your final is 15%. So what's 75 minus final in case you fail it? That final is a really hard final. You'll still pass with a 60%. Okay, so your safety grade, your goal between now and the day of the final in June is to get to that 75%. So you're like, well, what can I do to do that? There are several things that you can do, and it's never too late. My first suggestion for you is to, one, attend regularly, which most of you guys are anyways. Do the warm-up, exit ticket, your guided notes, and also like the Padlet when we do the reflection. Those are things that you can do. Next is your Math Excel. You guys have 10 questions every week. And then the next one is your assessment on Math Excel, which is only 5 questions. It's due on Sunday. Even if you haven't completed all of them from like week 1 to week 10, there's a deduction, but that deduction is always going to be above a 60%. You know what I mean? So you can still pass as long as you try to get it done. And then do the activities in class, but more importantly, turn it in like the one from yesterday, because I just give you a check if I have it. And then last resort is tutoring. So those are the things that you can do to raise your grade. And it's never too late. I always encourage you guys to turn in assignments even up to the day of the final. Okay, so if you have something, turn it in. We did 2 different matchings yesterday with radical transformation. So this is what it looked like. And then I had you guys do a to-do list yesterday, and then you just turn it in. This week is week 11. You have 10 questions for your homework on Math Excel, 5 questions for your quiz. We don't do tests in class. So this is it, you guys. So you have to do your Math Excel assessment, and it's not super duper difficult. You just have to complete it. Wednesdays is the day when I usually give you guys time in class. A lot of you guys just get it done in class, so that's good. But if some of you guys are like been kind of pushing it off a little bit, I just encourage you to kind of go back to where you should be at. So then you have your YouTube channel. Anytime that you've been absent and you're like, this is overwhelming, I don't know what I'm missing. You gave me a worksheet. I don't know what to do with this worksheet. If you look at the bottom, I always have like the date and the week. So this is like week 11 Thursday or week 11 Wednesday. You just watch the video and then it shows you how to go about doing that.